Hello, my name is Nora. Today, I will stay at a hotel. But I feel a little nervous. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. It's okay. Let's learn together, they. Have you ever stayed at a hotel before? Were you nervous, like me? Tell me in the comments. I am finally here. It was a long trip. This is the hotel. It looks very nice. But I feel nervous. I have to go inside and... What should I say? I can do this, go. Okay. You can do this, Nora. Just go. Please don't make a mistake. This is the lobby. It looks big. Wow, this place is nice. But it is busy. There are many guests here. They are checking in. They are talking. The staff looks busy. They are helping people. What should I say? Hello, I have a reservation.
Your room is ready. Have a nice stay.
Okay, I understand. Just go step by step. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation. My name is Nora.
Great. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation. One moment, please.
Okay, go.
Yes, I found your reservation. You booked a room for 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's right. 2 nights.
Would you like a single room or a double room?
A single room, please.
Okay. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Breakfast is included. It starts at 7 a.m.
Thank you. That sounds good.
Here is your key. Room 305.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Okay. Where is the elevator? Oh. Excuse me. Where is the elevator?
I will show you. Go straight. Just go straight. Then turn left. You will see the elevator. It is there.
Okay. Left? Okay, left. Oh, the elevator. That was easy. I found it. Okay, that was not so hard. I have my room now, room 305. 3rd floor. Okay, 3. They're closing. 1, 2. I feel better now. 3. The door is opening. This is my floor. Okay, let's see. This is my room. It is small, but nice. This is the bedded. It looks very comfortable. Wow, soft. There is an air conditioner. That's good. This is the bathroom. It is very clean. There is a shower and a towel. Nice. There is a table and a lamp. I can work here. And Wi-Fi. It's connected. There are not many towels. I need an extra towel. I want to take a shower and change my clothes. I will ask for help. Maybe I can call the front desk? Hello? Hi. I need an extra towel, please. My room is 305.
Of course. We will send it to your room. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. That was easy. I'm hungry. I want to explore the hotel and find some food. This hotel is big. I don't know where to go. Oh, I can ask. Excuse me, where is the restaurant?
Go straight and turn right. It is next to the elevator. You can't miss it.
Thank you. I'm really hungry. I hope the food is good. This is the restaurant. It looks very nice. This is the gym. It is clean and modern. And this is the pool. It looks amazing. Today was a good day. I was nervous, but I did it. Good morning. Today I check out. Hello, I want to check out.
Good morning. Sure. Can I have your room number, please?
Room 305. Here is my key.
Thank you. Everything is okay. Thank you for staying with us. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.